Today, exchange how creators get paid. If you saw the news and felt confused, you're not alone. So let's go through it slowly from the very start. The old program called Creator Revenue Sharing is being switched off. A new one is taking its place. It is called the Original Content Rewards Program. And here's the part people are missing. Everyone has to apply again. Three things happened at once. First, the old program is ending. It paid you a share of ad money. New signups are already closed. Second, a new program is starting. It pays only for content you made yourself. Third, being in the old one does not carry you into the new one. So if you do nothing, your payout simply stop on the 7th of September. Let's put the dates on a line. The 7th of August, X announced the change. Right now, if you were never in the old program, you can already apply. The 7th of September, the old program runs its last date. The 8th of September, old members, they have to apply to the new one again. If you have to remember one date, remember the 8th of September. That is the important date for you. Now, let's look at the old versus new. What has changed? The old way paid you from shared ad money. Reach was the main thing that mattered. So people reposted other people's video, added a caption, and got paid. Now the new way pays on qualified impressions of content you made, and you have to keep meeting the rules to stay in. The question has changed. It is no longer how loud you were. It is, did you make it yourself? That is the important thing that you have to remember now. Let's follow one post from start to money. So step one, you post something you made. Step two, people see it in their home timeline. Step three, here is the twist. Only some of those views count. A view only counts if it comes from a verified user. Step four, those counted views become your payout. X calls them qualified impressions. So your paying audience is now other premium users. Let's talk about the eligibility. So can you even join? There are four checks. You must be 18 or older. You need a plan, premium, premium plus, or premium business. You need at least 500 verified followers, and you need 500,000 home timeline views from verified users in the last 90 days. Now the important part, you have to keep meeting all four. If your numbers drop later, the payout stops. That is very important. So what counts as original? X says it is content you personally created in your own voice, your own writing, your own analysis, memes drawings you made, reporting you did firsthand, real commentary that adds an idea, the format that does not matter, a short post, a long article, a video, an image, all are fine. The test is simple. Are you the reason this post is worth reading? Now, what does not count? Let's also see that in the next one. So now the trap is reposting someone else's video does not count. Adding a caption that just describe what is happening does not count. A text overlay with no idea does not count. Screenshots of other people's posts do not count. But do not panic. There is a clear exception. If you add creative editing, real commentary, or your own analysis, that does count. X is trying to separate creators from collectors. So add an idea, not just a caption. Let's talk about the payouts. So payouts come every 2 weeks. The first payout under the new program is the 28th of August 2026. People in the old program keep earning until the 7th of September, and payouts only continue while your account and your content still meet the rules. Think of it like something you renew with your work every 2 weeks. Now, who wins? Let's be honest about who this helps and who it hurts. It helps people who make things, writers, photographers, video makers, artists, analysts. If you already put your own work out, the thing you were doing is now the thing that pays. It hurts repost accounts. If your account is built on other people's clip with a caption on top, that model no longer serves. So ask yourself one question: do I make my post or do I collect them? Here's the confusion. Here, five things people got wrong today. Is X stopping creator payouts? No, it is just replacing one program with another. Am I moved over automatically? No, you apply again from the 8th of September. Do all views pay me? No, only views from verify user count. Can I still use other people's clips? Only if you add some real editing or real commentary. Do I need premium? Yes, a paid plan is required. Most of the panic online comes from mixing up ending with changing. Now, Let me tell you about the action plan. So, what you should actually do: first, check your status, open Creative Studio, then original content rewards. It shows if you qualify right now. Second, get premium or keep it active. You cannot join without it. Third, grow your verified reach. That is the hardest number, so start early. Four, clean up how you post. Stop the pure repost. Put your own voice in every post. Fifth, apply on the 8th of September. If you were in the old program, start with step 4 today. Reach takes weeks, habits takes longer. Now let's do the recap. Let's put it all together. The old revenue sharing program ends on the 7th of September. Original content rewards replaces it. Everyone's apply again from the 8th of September. You need premium, 500 verified followers, and 500,000 verified views. Only content you made yourself earns, and you get paid every 2 weeks on qualified impressions. That is the whole change. Now make it yourself, then get paid for it. That is really all this update is saying. If this made this news clear for you, hit likes and subscribe. Thank you for watching.